Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to create a Kahoot quiz for your classroom. What Kahoot is it's a tool for using technology to administer quizzes, discussions, or surveys. It is a game-based classroom response system played by the whole class in real time. Multiple choice questions are administered to the whole class projected on the screen, and students answer the questions with their smartphone, tablet, or computer following along in class. So what I've already done is created a new Kahoot quiz. I've titled it Math, and for the tags, Math for elementary students, and I've opened it for everyone. So you're going to add a question. We're going to do 5 times 5 since it is for elementary students. We'll give them 60 seconds, And you're going to type in answers that they will see on the screen, and they will click whatever they think fits. So for 5 times 5, the answer is 25, so we're going to go ahead and mark that one. You can add an image, upload an image, or add a video, but we're not going to do that for this one. You click Next, and you have your question. It will be projected on the screen for the students. We've given them a time limit, and they will be able to have 60 seconds to answer the question. The fastest answer that's correct will be given points, and it is administered by a point system. So students will be ranked on how well they did, and then you just click Save, and it is saved and published for your students to go ahead and play along. Thank you so much.